Linking your bank account to Chewy can streamline your shopping experience by making payments easier. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Chewy account. Visit the Chewy website or open the Chewy app and log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Billing Information. Click on this option to proceed to the payment setup. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account and enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your bank account information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Update button to link your bank account to your Chewy account. Now you are all set to enjoy a smoother shopping experience on Chewy with your bank account linked.